Tikka masala chicken biryani recipe. Chicken wash. All tikka masala well mix on chicken and marinate 2 hours. Cooking all hot and in low flame chicken meat roasted one by one. Chicken tikka ready. All pieces spread on paper sheets. These chicken pieces also displayed separate with salad and ricotta. Tikka chicken also used in ready biryani. Separate biryani rice ready with separate chicken meat. Rice washed 1 hour remain and make masala with chicken rice boiled half cooked and make layers meat and rice one by one. And tikka chicken are used in ready biryani. Make biryani, cut onion, chopped garlic, slice cut ginger, tomatoes and green mirt. Dry masala like salt, red chilli mix and saba garam masala turmeric powder. Onion, garlic, ginger light brown in cooking oil as per choice. Wash chicken meat, add in brown masala and well brown with masala. After that add dry masala, tomatoes, green mirt and well cook all.